We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at apartment 413. Let's go on in. This is a studio apartment. This is the 5-window style on the north side. We're entering, the kitchen is on the right. In the odd number apartments on the front of the building, on the north side, the kitchens will be on the right. On the even number, the kitchen is on the left. We'll have the refrigerator, the dishwasher and sink, microwave, stove, oven. There are cupboards above and below the counter and a pair of drawers. There is a bathroom on our left. Let's peek in there before we go into the main part of the apartment. The bathrooms will always be the same setup. You'll have that full-size tub shower with the sliding door, the vanity that does open, the toilet, a medicine cabinet that does open for more storage, and a towel bar. As we go into the apartment, we'll pass the closet on the right. We've got good storage space in this apartment, so it's a nice closet here. Good space for hanging clothes and boxes and things. Okay, this is what we call the 5-window style apartment. You'll see as we get into the main part of the apartment. So it does have the most floor space out of any of our studios in the building. So this is the largest style studio apartment here in Collegetown Center. These are available on the north side of the building. They're units number 13, 17, and 21. We have the style units on floors 2 through 6. So you can see here, this time we have the dresser over on the wall here, the full-size bed. You can see the heating unit for the apartment over here. You want to make sure you're not blocking that with any furniture so that heat can circulate nicely in your apartment for you in the winter months. The dining table and chair over here, the desk and chair, and a tall bookshelf. Let's go on into this extra space here. So right here where this wall piece goes, that is where the apartments normally would end. So everything past this wall in this window area is the extra space in just this layout of apartment, these 5-window apartments. So you can see the windows, the ones on the far left and the far right are the ones that open, the other ones are fixed. And again, we're right here on Dryden Road, here in the center of Collegetown. To our right is College Avenue, and from there, of course, we are just 1 block from campus. And you can see over here, let's get around over on this side. This view to the west will be the prettier view. We've got some nice valley views over there. That building to our left is Collegetown Plaza. So we're just above the curved part of Dryden Road here. You can see the air conditioning unit is right there below the window. So again, a lot of extra floor space here in this apartment. There are a lot of ways that you could set this unit up for your living space. So this is just one example. You want to take a look at some of the other videos to see some other suggestions, but this is Collegetown Center. We're in a 5-window apartment on the 4th floor, unit 413, in this 6th floor elevator building, and we're just 1 block from campus.